Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by validating your baseline. Confirm your ISP plan speed and current real-world Mbps. Once done, reboot modem and router to clear transient issues and switch one device to Ethernet so you can measure wired throughput. Make sure firmware is up to date. This often fixes performance regressions. While you run a speed test, note jitter and packet loss numbers because they guide later tuning. Don't skip these immediate checks. They are the diagnostic foundation for the next phase. Once baseline metrics are captured, optimize Wi-Fi channels and spectrum use. Move busy devices to 5 GHz and select the clearest channel to reduce interference. You'll also enable quality of service and prioritize specific devices or ports for gaming and streaming. This reduces latency during congestion. Make sure to disable legacy 802.11b/g modes that slow mixed networks, and set fixed IPs for devices you prioritize so rules stay consistent. Finally, test again to compare improvements and iterate as needed. To finish, address coverage and capacity. Deploy mesh nodes or wired access points to eliminate dead zones and balance load. If your router is CPU or WAN port limited, upgrade to a model with higher throughput and better antennas. This pays off for multiple 4K streams. Once configured, run end-to-end tests. If speeds don't improve, clear configs and factory reset only after exporting settings, then reapply changes stepwise. That reset is the single most effective troubleshooting action when unknown settings block performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.